Okay, today we've got a special request. A good friend of mine that I've known for many years has requested me do a chili sauce or chili oil. So yeah, we're going to do my version.
That sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat, tested by the motion, loving this devotion. Live it up, live it up, live it up, sweet emotion. Every time, every night.
We're going to do two types. One with the chili flakes, and the other one with fresh chilies. So we'll show both types, and the most important thing he's requested, no MSG and low sodium. So we are going to do that for him. And Maddie, you can have the chili oils because look, I don't mind things a little bit hot, but I'm not a massive hot chili person. I don't like to for my toilet to catch on fire. So yeah, if you want them, you're more than welcome to them after I'm done. So Maddie, this one's for you, mate. First thing I started with was extra virgin olive oil. Now what you need to do is heat that up. So I've got that heating up. I've got enough for the two batches that I'm actually going to make. So that's my first step. Okay, what we'll start with is our chili flake. I'll just put my chili flake in there. Going with 30 grams. Okay, we've got 30 grams, half a teaspoon of galangal. Galangal's got antioxidants, very good for inflammation. Two teaspoons of garlic, half a teaspoon of pepper. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, and I know Maddie wants it low sodium, but we'll do half a teaspoon of Himalayan salt. I'm also going to add some bay leaf. Okay, now our oil is very hot, so be careful. Trying to stir that very gently. That smells really good, guys. Okay, I'm just going to show you the consistency. That's what it looks like. The Looks nice. Looks fucking hot, Maddie. Okay, this one I'm a bit more excited about. So we've got roughly 60 grams of fresh chilies. So what we need to do, we'll just cut these little stems off. And just cutting these little suckers up. So we're going to use a little onion. We don't need the whole thing. Just finely chop it. Mix it in with chilies. Yeah, smells good. Okay, we're going to add 2 generous teaspoons of garlic. Now, if you've got clove garlic, you can use clove garlic. I've just got crushed garlic. It was a little bit short notice and I've run out of clove garlic. Half a teaspoon of Himalayan salt. We're going to add sweet paprika, half a teaspoon, and half a teaspoon of pepper. We're going to add half a teaspoon of the galangal powder. I'll type it up. I don't know if I'm saying it wrong, but it's basically a Taiwanese powder. I'll show you. Which is very good for antioxidants. So, and it's got a nice flavour as well. Half a teaspoon of coriander powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay, this one we're doing a little bit different. The first one we did is a little bit, look, it's actually borderline dangerous because you're pouring hot oil into the little glass. This one we're actually going to cook in a frying pan with the oil. So just grab your oil amount. It's extra virgin olive oil. Just add a little bit to the pan and just heat that up. And we're actually going to cook all our ingredients. And mix that in. Add a little bit more oil. Oh, the smell, guys. It smells amazing. I'm just going to add a little bit of fresh coriander to this as well. It's optional, just a little bit. Some people hate coriander, but we love coriander. Okay, so that's frying nicely. I'll just add the rest of the oil. Okay, we just let it simmer for around about 3 to 5 minutes. You don't want it to burn, but we want it to cook nicely. I'm just going to add a sprinkling of fennel seeds as well. Just a few fennel seeds. Okay, that's done now. That's been on for about 5 minutes. Just going to pour this into the jug so it's easier for us. Oh, the smell doesn't do it justice. Giving that a mix. And there we go, guys. I reckon this second one's better. Give this a look. Right. That one looks absolutely delicious. Okay, we'll spread this one out for you. This one actually looks amazing. Okay, the second one done. Maddie, your 2 jars of chili oil are done. Now, I just want to see your ass explode, mate. Get ready when you are.